the topper of grade 10, Mayank Papnoi, who has scored 98.6% in his board exams. Congratulations on your result.
Thank you.
We have an audience who is very eager to know what your strategies were during the exams that led to such a great performance. Few questions, please. What was your first reaction when you saw your result?
My first reaction was a mix of disbelief with a sense of pure relief. I knew I had worked hard, but seeing it on the screen made it feel very real. The look of pride on my parents' face made the score even better.
That's beautiful. Could you walk us through your daily study routine during class 10? Did it change near the exams?
So I used to study 3 to 4 hours every day, which included 1 to 2 hours dedicated for self-study. Yeah, it did change near the exam time. I used to study 7-8 hours during the exam time. The exam coming near made me work harder.
Which subject did you find most challenging, and how did you turn it into a strength?
Language subjects like English and Hindi were most challenging for me because of my poor writing skills and less writing speed. But a lot of practice doing sample papers and school pre-boards helped me practice and made me confident, and this way I made these subjects my strength.
So, did you follow NCERT only, or did you refer to other books or resources? Which ones helped most?
See, NCERT is the most important book, like the holy book for class 10. But yeah, I also studied R.S. Agarwal for mathematics and Papnoi for science. These books have a variety of questions that help me practice. The book that helped me the most, I think, was the Oswald previous year question book that made me recognize the board pattern and helped me excel in my board exam.
So, how did you plan your revision? Did you use timetables, mind maps, or mock tests?
I had started studying from the beginning, so I had enough time for the revision. I did not use timetables but used to-do lists to specify the tasks I do every day. Yes, I used mind maps, especially in subjects like science and mathematics, for quick revision. And mock tests and pre-boards also helped me excel the board exam.
What kept you focused? A goal, inspiration from someone, or was it something else?
I always knew that I had great potential to excel all the exams I give, and I also knew what is the importance of all these exams, which kept me focused on my goal. Also, my parents and teachers believed me in my potential, that made me work even harder.
How did you handle exam stress? Any tips for juniors?
I think if you start early from the very beginning and revise every day, but you study at the exam time, you will be a little nervous, but the stress will be very less. You will be confident about your exams.
What role did your parents, teachers and friends play in your journey?
My parents, teachers and friends played a very important role. They gave me an environment that made me focus and study hard.
Did you find it difficult to balance studies with hobbies, sports or screen time?
I never sacrificed my hobbies for studies. They act like rewards. After 2 hours of study, playing soccer or badminton would refresh my mind and charge me up for another study.
If you could give just few tips to next year's class 10, what would they be?
If some tips I have to give, it would be start early as you can. And be consistent, because consistency is better than intensity. And practice a lot, as much as you can. And at the end, analyze your mistake and work over it. All these tips will make you excel your board exams.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. It was such an insightful experience. You gave very important tips which could definitely be used by our juniors to score the same as you did. Thank you very much.
Our teachers were always with her, and I would like to thank them for their guidance. They made us solve a lot of sample papers and were with us every time we needed them. I would really like to thank my teachers, my coordinators, the management for their tremendous support and guidance.